Hi, my name is Connor Mulhern. I'm the Music, Fine Arts, and Performing Arts Librarian at the University of Alabama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find recordings in Naxos Music Library. To get to Naxos from the University Library's homepage, click the Databases section in the Research box. From there, choose Music from the Subjects dropdown and hit Search. Then, click Naxos Music Library in the Best Bets square at the top of the page. Naxos offers 5 main search options: keyword search, advanced search, people, categories, and labels. To demonstrate, here's how you can use each of these to find a recording of the ballet Parade by French composer Eric Satie. Keyword search is located in the upper right-hand corner of the database page. Keep in mind that it only generates results containing all the terms you need. So, only type the composer's last name, first, Satie, Eric, followed by the piece. Parade. Clicking on the magnifying glass will bring you to a list of albums that include recordings of the piece. To the right of keyword search, there's advanced search. This is a great option if you already have a detailed set of criteria you want to search simultaneously. Besides composers and titles, it also searches for other musical artists, including arrangers, lyricists, solo artists, and performing groups. And by label, category of music, featured instrument, period of music history, country or territory, the years the work was composed, the years the album was released, and by work duration. Say you're looking for a Hyperion recording of Satie's Parade performed by the New London Orchestra. Type Satie, Eric under Composer, New London Orchestra under Performing Group, Hyperion under Label, and Parade under Work Title. After you've entered all the criteria, hit the blue rectangular search button at the bottom of the screen. This will generate a list of available items which can be browsed by page number. The other 3 search options are located in the column on the left-hand side of the page. People searches by various musical artists under the tabs marked Composers and Artists. To find Satie, keep the Composers tab selected. Click the letter matching the first letter of his last name, then browse through the results. Alternatively, type Satie, Eric in the Enter Composer search bar, then hit the magnifying glass. Clicking on Satie in the results will bring you to a page with the tabs View by Work and View by Album. Keep View by Work selected, click the letter matching the first letter of the piece, then browse through the results until you find Parade. Clicking Parade will bring you to a page with an Available Recordings tab which can be browsed. Categories offers a wide range of categories to search under, including various instruments, performing ensembles, entertainment mediums, and genres of music. To search for a ballet, click the ballet square. This will bring you to a list of album titles, many beginning by composer last name. Choose the first letter of Satie's last name, browse through the page numbers on the right-hand side, then scroll through the results until you find the album you're looking for. Labels lets you search under a particular record label. To find a Hyperion recording of Satie's Parade, select the letter H from the menu above the list, then browse until you land on Hyperion. Alternatively, type Hyperion in the Search All Labels bar, then hit the magnifying glass. Clicking on Hyperion generates a list of album titles, many beginning by composer last name. Select the first letter of Satie's last name, then browse through the pages until you find the album you're looking for. Here's what the album page looks like. Parade and all its movements are listed below the top blue bar featuring the composer and/or musical artist. Clicking the plus signs in this list will provide information on the conductor and performers. Selecting the box next to Parade will let you hear the whole piece. Deselecting this box and selecting the ones below it will let you hear individual movements. When you're ready to listen, click the Play the Album icon in the upper right-hand corner. That's all for now. If you have any questions about Naxos or need further assistance navigating the database, feel free to visit Ask a Librarian at ask.lib.ua.edu or contact the Gorgas Information Desk at 205-348-6047. Thanks!